So what's going on, business owners? It doesn't matter what business you own. It could be junk removal, it could be pressure washing, it could be landscaping, it could be anything. This channel helps you grow your business no matter what business you have. And today, what we are gonna do is we are going to unbox some signs that we use for advertising. And we got these signs from UZ Marketing. And if you've never heard of them, they're a marketing company that does signs. They do business cards, they do flyers, they do door hangers. They do so much that will bring you more business. So let's check these out. And look in the description down below because we will have a link on where you can find UZ Marketing materials. So we're gonna open up our box that we got from them with signs that we ordered. And we're gonna take a look at them, see what they look like. So they came packaged really well, and here they are. Nice big size. 18 by 24, and you can get them in all kinds of colors. We feel that simple is best, so you could do red and white, you could do yellow and black, any color you choose. We just went for the simple black and white colors. And we thought, you know what? When you have these on the side of the road, people have 2 seconds, 3 seconds to look at it. So we thought, you know what, we're not even gonna put our business name on these. We're just gonna put junk removal, because that's what we do, with the phone number. And you know, simple is best. And we were really happy with the way UZ Marketing did these up for us. And you know, within 3 days, we had them. So we got them really quickly. Now, a little bit more about UZ Marketing. They match any price. So if you go shopping around for signs and you see a better price, let them know and they will match it. It also comes with the stakes that so you can put them into the ground. So let's open up these. So it comes with what you need to put them into the ground. So let's see, they have these little holes here, and you just put these right through the holes. So there you have it. You push it into the ground and there you have your sign. Now, where do you put these signs? I suggest you do a Google search of the busiest streets in your city or your area and make sure you have a few of these on each of those busy streets. So with these stakes, here's a little tip. If you have more signs than you do stakes, you can actually cut these stakes and make 2 of them instead of just 1. Now, let's say you live in a city where signs are not allowed in your area. One thing you could do is you can ask a customer. You can say, hey, would you mind if I put a sign in front of your house and keep it up for like a week or 2? And you know, you can even offer them a slight discount for doing such a thing. And of course you can do that because construction workers, they do that all the time. You often know when a construction company is doing a remodel in your neighborhood because they will often have signs in that person's yard letting you know who they are and what they're doing. So it never hurts to ask. So things to avoid with signs. Don't put too much information. Make it as simple as possible because people are only going to see this for a couple of seconds. So it's really important that they just know what you're offering and how to get in touch with you. That really is all the information you need to put on your signs. What is it you do? How to contact you. So once again, if you're interested in getting some signs, we have a link in the description that will take you right to UZ Marketing. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe and check out our channel. We have lots of videos that tell you how to grow your business, how to work for yourself. You'll make more money, you'll learn how to advertise, and you'll get all kinds of tips for your business.